Attention entrepreneurs, small business owners, and people working from home and looking for affiliate marketing side hustles. You're finally going to uncover the hidden, little known strategies to becoming a power affiliate and maximizing your time, your money, and freedom without delivering products, providing service or support, and having any technical abilities. Okay, and you get to sell the products too. So I highly recommend that you register for this presentation. I'll have the link below in the description, and it also may come up on this video. So here's what you're going to discover: how to find products that belong to other people and pay you instantly, that is. So discover how to identify high converting products that ensure you can make sales on autopilot even while you sleep. Ride the hype. Learn how to pinpoint the right products at the perfect time for immediate sales, recurring income, and high-ticket commission. And there's a secret strategy to this. Also, let GPT do the heavy lifting with you. Use AI. What used to take hours can now be done instantly with AI, and the training will show you exactly how to harness GPT to supercharge your affiliate marketing strategy. And don't go straight for the sales. Sounds surprising? This is a secret strategy. If you push for the sale, 98% of visitors will leave and never come back. Okay, that's why most people that try to make money online make zero. So I'll show you the real strategy to turn that around, and you'll also get access to powerful software, and this will be showcased, that has been developed. People become top tier affiliates effortlessly, selling other people's products. Plus, as a valued reseller, you will also have exclusive access to this game-changing tool. Okay, so you'll also have access to the exclusive affiliate community, so you can join a thriving network of individuals actively building and scaling their affiliate businesses. Okay, so you're not going to be in this alone, and there'll be a new partner program revealed, so you'll be able to get access to these partner programs, and plus the 50% on all upsells, and much more. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this here so that you can have a look at what other people are saying about the program. The program is run by Chad Nicely, and it's part of his affiliate marketing intensive. This is actually free to attend, okay, but there will be an offer, but you'll be very surprised on how affordable it's going to be. So register for the presentation and join in.